welcome to Saucy Cat. My name's Zoe, and this Thanksgiving, I'm making squash. I'm going to show you a super delicious side dish, or even the main course, with this amazingly easy spaghetti squash. Let's get into it. First, let's grab our spaghetti squash and cut it in half lengthwise. As you can see, we were struggling a bit. Microwaving the squash for about 5 minutes would have really softened it up and make it easier to cut. Once you do manage to cut it open, scoop out the inner squash guts. Now drizzle in a tiny bit of olive oil and coat the inside of the squash. Give it a generous pinch of salt and crack on some fresh black pepper. It's good now, but I'm going to sprinkle on some garlic powder, just because I'm feeling real crazy. Now lay the squash with the inside down on a lined baking sheet. Plop it into a 400-degree oven for at least 30 minutes. Depending on the size of your squash, you may need to up the time to a full hour. Once you can easily pierce the inside with a fork, take it out of the oven and let it cool for 5 to 10 minutes. Now take your fork and begin to shred the squash off the skin. And now you can do whatever you want with it. Add your favorite sauces, spice it up with oregano or sage, get creative with it. As for me, I think I'm just going to mix it with some vegan butter, add a little more pepper, and plate this dish. It has been so long since I've had spaghetti squash. I am so excited. Now this is the original veggie noodle right here. It is really good and our spices do well to help really bring out that squash flavor without hiding any of it. Well, that does it for today. Let me know how you prepare your spaghetti squash in the comments down below. Like and subscribe so you don't miss any future dishes. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time on Saucy Cat.
Oh. We'll just put that back. Ha ha. You'll never know.